Happy Friday, everyone. This is Emily with DEK Designs, and it is another new release Friday. And we have a bunch of new releases I'm going to show you today, and it's just in time for our Labor Day sale, which starts at noon Central Time today and goes through Monday. And first, I'm going to bring my planner out to show you how these functional stickers work. So these are called clip notes, and there's a little paper clip there, and you get to choose your colorway and foil color. So I'm just going to show you how this fits in your planner, and it's a cute way just to highlight any notes during the week. Especially with that foil, it makes it pop. So it just fits perfectly, in your box there. So those are clip notes. And we have a bunch of new colorways if you haven't seen them yet. These two are some of our newer ones as well. And this is the one I am most excited about. Here is Boo Bear. You can find this in the Boo Bear section on our website. If you go to Planner Pals and click on Boo Bear, that's where you will find these. So I'm going to show you how this works. So you just peel it off here. Sorry, I have marker all over my hand from writing in my planner and on invoices. Okay, so anyway, you put the bottom part like so, and you stick it down, and it's perforated so you can easily fold it over, and you fold this on top, and this also sticks to the page in your planner. So if you use your planner a lot at work, or it's open and there's stuff that you don't want other people to see, this is a good way to write some random notes in there. And then I'll show you another one. This one is my favorite. This is so salty. Okay. So you just apply it like so. Remember, only put this blank portion with the bows down on your planner. The perforated, you just fold in, and you put Boo Bear on top. Super easy. Now you can hide stuff that you don't want everyone else to see. And it kind of has a marble background there in Boo Bear. I want to put one more down because they're fun. This one says, "I dare you." Like, I dare you to look. I like how Boo Bear's eye is twitching in this. I'm just gonna throw this one right here. And there you go. So those are brand new to our shop, and like I said, it's 52% off. It is 52% off because my mom, as you know, Dawn, she is turning 52 on September 4th. So that is why it's at 52% off. And now we're moving on to our new kits in shop. The first one is called Give Thanks. So this kit, you can do the no foil like I'm showing here. You can add foil onto it, and this one actually comes with, or it doesn't come with it, but you can order a notepad that matches it and a cover that matches it, and our monthly matches it. And now starting this month forward, with just this design forward, you can pick what month and year you want your monthly to be for, and if you want foil on your monthly, you can add that on now too, which is pretty nice. I'm all about the foil, so I'm pretty excited that we are releasing that now. Our half boxes have matching glitter bows with this kit. Here is the checklist. Some washi. And our washi is 2 strips. So if you want to use washi you already have that matches the kit and use some of this, that's what I did for my spread this week. So you have that option with that. Here are the headers, glitter headers, which are my personal favorite. I like to use these on my sidebar, but I like to use these throughout the rest of my spread. We have Boo Bear with some activities, shaving the legs, payday, happy mail. That can be like marking when you do your spread for the next week. Here's some paper clips and the office girl with the matching color bow. And here is the deco sheet. And that's a pie. Oh gosh, now I'm hungry. I am super excited for fall, so this is making me even more excited. And the burgundy colors and light tannish colors are perfect for fall. Okay, so that is the first new kit. This one is called Hello Fall, and you get to choose the skin tone for this. And this one is a little more bright with all the leaves and apples and cookies. Cookies are my weakness. And the scene with the front of the door. I wish the front of my door looked that good. Need to step up my game. Here are your check box, or your half boxes, sorry, with the matching bows. I love these bright fall colors too. Matching washi. There's the cookies again. I think that's a sign that I need to make cookies today. Here are the matching headers. Your glitter headers with the matching colors. And I love these little doilies too for tracking stuff. I love using those. And here is the matching deco, holding a pumpkin, a notebook. Okay. Our next kit is called PSL, and it has those gorgeous dark blue colors and orange. And I personally love this kit because that looks very similar to my dog named Lambo. If you're in our Facebook group, I'm sure you have seen her before. I'm obsessed with her. If you're not in our Facebook group, what are you doing? It is called Planner Journey by DEK Designs, and we have a lot of giveaways in there. Every week we do like a Show Me Sunday, so you post your weekly spread and enter to win, and a giveaway for shop credit. We do that every week. We have polls to help us decide on what to release, or what color foil looks best with a kit, or just random stuff. it's a fun group to be in, so. And this is the last page of that kit. With the little pupper and the two girls on there. All right, and I have one more kit to show you. It is called Blitz. So for all you football fans out there, this is the non-foil version. I have a foil version right here with silver on it. So that's what it looks like with foil. And you get to choose your skin tone. So that's light and here it is dark. So this is a foil version, but if foil is not your style, here is just the matte version with no foil. And I like the colors on here because in a way it is neutral to whatever team you're rooting for. The green reminds me more of turf more than a team color. So I think it goes well with any team that you are rooting for this season. Here's our check boxes. I love this extra washi here on the side. It's like a chalkboard with a play written on it. I really like that. Here's the matching headers and your matching glitter headers, and of course with Boo Bear down there. Here are your matching doilies and paper clips and flags, and here is the deco sheet. There is a lot on this deco sheet. So the grill, the hoodie, I'm so excited for sweater weather. Summer is usually my favorite, but once I get a little taste of fall, I get super excited. So here's some chips and salsa. A lot of cupcakes. So we have one that has the field goal post on it, football, one that says touchdown, and the tower of cupcakes right there. Coffee. Here's your little planner with the matching colors. And notes. So that one is called Blitz, and I actually did a giveaway for this. Whoever named the kit got a shop credit, and I put that in my Instagram group or my Instagram feed and on my Facebook group, and got a lot of responses. It was very hard to choose, but Blitz sounded really cool to go with this. All right, that wraps it up for New Release Friday. Remember, we have our Labor Day sale for 52% going on the website this weekend. So everyone have a safe holiday, and I will see you next week.